Hello Scratchers! Today we're gonna code a Squid Game logo in the Scratch coding editor platform. But before we scratch, please subscribe and like or leave a comment below. Let's get scratching by opening a new sprite. We start with painting the cycle by the paint blocks. So let's move to the bottom and press the blue icon on the left corner, and now we can choose the pen extension. Now we get few more pen blocks. Wow, cool. Let's get coding by dragging the set pen size block to 10 under the when grand flag click block. After that we need to choose the pen color for the logo. I choose the light red color, but you can choose any color you want. For painting we need the pen down block. Let's drag the pen down block under the color block. Well done! When the pen is down we need more 3 blocks for painting the cycle. Grab the repeat, the move and the turn right block. In the turn right block we set the size to the cycle by 4 degrees. We know a whole cycle has 360 degrees. We need to divide the operators and type 360 divide 4. The result is 90 degrees. This 90 degrees will be multiplied by 4 in the turn right block. The result is 360 degrees again. Well done! Let's give it a try! Hooray! It works! For a better effect we can change the backdrop to a dark color, e.g. black. After choosing the desired color and the rectangle we can pull over the whole backdrop. Let's get in the custom section and choose the pencil. So we can see where we exactly paint on the screen. Select the whole pencil and bring it to the middle of the screen. Now we need to bring the pencil to the start position, where we start the painting. Then go to the motion blocks and drag the go to XY block under the pen down block. Let's give it a try! Wow, it works! With the erase all block we can clear the whole screen. Let's check it out! Well done! Next, for the rectangle, we have to grab point in direction in the motion block. Then the pen up block in the pen block. Then repeat the block, but I just copy the repeat block from above, but don't delete the move blocks. For repainting, we grab the pen down block. Let's give it a try! Now the pencil is at the new position. Great! Fantastic! Exactly what we expected. Put a repeat block and another repeat block in the repeat block, then move the block in the repeat block. Oh, let's fix it. Let's fix it by duplicate the turn block to 90 degrees and put it at the bottom of the first repeat block. Yeah! But it's not perfect now. It's better now, but still not perfect. We can fix it by a pen up and a repeat block. Set the move block to 60 steps and put the turn block to 60 degrees. And then pan down at the bottom. For the triangle, we need to do following steps. Let's do repeat in the repeat block with the move block inside. The first repeat block, we set the value of 3 for 3 sides. In the move block, we set 11 steps. At last, put the turn 60 degrees block at the bottom. The other blocks are not necessary anymore, so we can delete them. Let's grab a new when green flag click block, then connect it with the height block. So let's give it a try. Oh my gosh, not exactly what we expected. How can we fix it? So for the start point, we remove go to XY block and put it under the height block and connect the erase all block to the when click block. We need a new point in direction block and put it under the height block. Oh my gosh, it is still not working. But we know where the problem is. Let's go to turn the block and set the right value to 120 degrees. Calculation is 3x 120 degrees equal 360 degrees. Another fixed point is in the move block above. Set it to 20 steps instead of 60. Let's give it a try. Hooray! It works! Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, please don't forget to subscribe and like or leave your thoughts in the comment section. It's for free!